Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a quick video just showing you what I use to record my videos with. Simple stuff like a phone. So I'm take you over, show you the items I have. I'll put links down below for you if you're interested in purchasing any of those. Hopefully it helps somebody. It doesn't take much to make these videos as far as the equipment. You don't need fancy stuff. So I'll show you what I have and I hope it's helpful. All right, guys. So here's some of the stuff I use to record with. I'm not using anything spectacular by no means. I'm recording currently right now on an old Samsung S8 phone. That's what I record the majority of my videos on. So I have this setup here that attaches to pretty much any remote that I want. It just, clamps on, you tighten it down. You have a couple different locations here, or here that you can put, screw something onto. Then I have this mount here, metal, and you can tighten that up, that will hold a phone. So I have that set up. That's why I record probably a lot of my videos at this point on. Then I have, for my Traxxas remotes, I bought the cell phone holder adapter here. So I've taken a little bit of video from that if I'm running either my Traxxas Max or my TRX4 Blazer. I will use that. Most recently, for Father's Day, I got this kit right here, and I've been using this quite a bit. So it has a few things in here. You have this little stand, which I like because it's nice and low. You can adjust this right here. This holder here, which will hold a cell phone, will screw on here. And then you can put a phone in there. So one of my most recent videos, the night crawl with the Gen 8, I use this for the majority of that. And if you wanted to, you could take this and hold it in your hand like this as well. So you have that stand. It also came with this holder particularly for cell phones, and it came with 3 different lenses. So one's a fisheye, and basically they have caps on it. It screws into that holder. You take off, I believe this one here, is the fisheye. Let me double check. Yep, fisheye lens. Then this one here is 25 micro lens. I believe this is sort of a wide angle. I've used it. It was in the night video that I used it in. And then you have this here, which is 22 times telephoto lens. Have not used that one at all. But this little kit's nice because it's small, compact, and you can pretty much take it anywhere you want. So, like I said, this piece right here, I've been using a lot, along with the wide angle lens on this exact phone that I'm recording on, which does give you a little bit more angle. I also have, and I've only used it in 1 or 2 videos, this is a Polaroid Cube camera, nice and small. It's good for if you want to get video like on a vehicle. So currently right now it has a magnet on the bottom, and it came with this little metal piece. So you can pretty much put this underneath a body. You could double side tape it if you wanted to. And then this will magnet on there and sit on there. You can take pictures and photos with this cool little piece here. And then something that, if I'm at a competition and get the opportunity that I'm not recording or not competing, I have this that my phone will mount into. I can get smooth angles. I picked up this little piece here, so if I want to stick it up, have it stand up on something. So, this is pretty much everything I have that I record with. I do have, and I have used, but I haven't used it recently, I do have a Canon T2i camera that does do HD videos, and I do use that, or have used it, but not most recently. And I did forget something. So right here, I have this tripod, and on here, I have this holder here for a cell phone. And you actually, it has, you know, a hole in the bottom here, which is what it's attached to, but it has a couple holes here and here. And you can actually, this opens up to hold a phone, and then you can lock it right here. So I use this to record like my standing up videos, usually my intros where I'm telling you guys what I'm, you know, doing. That's what I use there. Put my cell phone on that. And then I have what I have in my hand right now, which is similar to this, but that's a tripod that you can also hold as a selfie stick, and it does extend, and it has a button. If you have it on video mode and you hit the button, it starts and stops. And if it's on picture mode, same thing. I used to use it a ton. I haven't used it as much anymore, but I am using it today. But it has this, you know, it sprawls out like this. Only problem is it sits a lot higher. I like this one because it sits a lot lower. So if you want to get that more realistic look, like, you know, driving the RC on the trail type thing. So that's everything I have. I'm going to put as many links as I can down below to these products if you're interested. My main reason in doing this, I've seen a few other people do this, and I'm, you know, just really getting my feet wet into the YouTube videos, and I have not spent a lot of money on stuff to do it. The phone I had left over, I could use my S10 Plus if I wanted to, and have used it probably for 1 or 2 videos. But I have this S8, it takes good videos, you know, couple things here and there. I probably have, you know, combined, I probably have $100, $120 in stuff to take my videos. It's not very much. And of course, you can spend more money if you want. I had a mic for my camera, which I have misplaced and been looking for, and I've got another one coming on the way. But I hope this is helpful to some people. All right, guys, so there you have it. There's what I used to record with. As you see, nothing special, nothing expensive. Links will be down below. I hope you like it. And if I can be of any help, please reach out. Till next time, guys.